So, hi again, everyone. We continue with the transmission of penetration test to Kevin Machine. I think, or I I want to remember that is another vulnerable and easy machine, but in this case, it's something different because in Kadir, um Kevin. Yes, and cd inside of Kevin. Yes, we can create encadir inside of nmap, nmap, and this is the target IP that start to review with a fast TCP scan. We can check more quickly all the open ports and this at this Windows machine. So maybe can I close all the other tabs and try to access to the 18 port, but I'm not sure. So with which is this other, the let me see if this ping is alive on the machine. So it seems that the machine is not alive, or what happened? No, it's another IP. I have the old IP. So sorry, guys. Ping minute C to this IP right now. Okay, let me paste this one. First TCP to the right IP. There are the 18 port open. It's an index HP Power Manager, so we can use admin and admin. Don't save, and yes, we are inside. So there are many other open ports such as Samba or another. We can try to enum for num for Linux minus host. We can check the OS info SMB client, not access to Samba. There are a workstation Kevin machine. Yes. Trying. Yeah. So I remember that there are another exploit with the name of HP Power Manager. HP from export data. Yeah, remote buffer overflow has a buffer overflow at from export data logs. This functionality, its application is allowed export logs, but this is a metasploit, and we can't use this tool because it's automated tool. We can search about this this vulnerability, for example, export data logs, GitHub, or GitHub buffer overflow Python 3 add master. I think that this could be, yeah, IP address, running on port application, and so on. Yes. So inside of exploits, we can clone with git clone the directory inside is HP manager manpower. So we can take a look to this file, and closing this one. Okay, what is the first problem that this cell injected the buffer overflow on this server is prepared for an specific IP. So we need to create a new one for our target or for our machine. So cat this one, and we need to create a new one. Control C, cd exploits. I can split this one, and inside of exploits I should config looking for my attacker IP, and the port could be the same. Why not? 4411. Yes, exim function is a thread, and this is on the batch characters. The operating system is alpha mixed x86. This is for Windows. This is a Python output. So here netcat -nlvp, we can start to listen at 4411. Yes, in this one, in this window, we can obtain the new cell. So we need to maintain the egg, because during the buffer overflow exploit execution, this one is the egg hunter is injected at the memory of the operative system and the map of the process, and try to look for the start of the reverse shell. Is injected in the buffer, but is in other part of the payload. So the host is here, the buffer is here, and the host is again here. So the buffer overflow in that case has two parts. One of them is obtain AEP, inject the source code that look for the egg, and the egg is injected in other part of the map memory. So This is more deeper know of buffer overflow that we need to use here, because only we need exploit this vulnerability. Yes. So the first one is the IP of the target machine. The second one is the port when the server is running. Yeah, it's the 18 port. And the last one is the port when I listen at local. So we can try to exploit it. So power line 34, there is a problem, not byte to string. So what? Line 34, yeah, buff. So yes, the problem is this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, because is exploiting at Python and not use Python 3. So I don't remember do this the previous time that I exploit this machine, but okay. Sending, yeah. So who am I? We obtain access again to the machine with C users dir to this one. So Kevin is the name of the machine, so dir, and desktop dir again, HP service, this is not important. So at administrator at desktop, yeah, we can obtain the flag of proof .txt, yeah, and system info. Say to us that is an English version of Windows 7 Ultimate N. So this is all for this machine. It's easy to, but you need to know how work the buffer overflow. Yeah, see you on the following video.